Hi, from Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. So today is bring you into my kitchen. Come join me and see how I set everything up. So right now we are cooking our corned beef, and this is going to cook on top of the stove for about 3.5 hours. I have my chicken marinating in a nice lime and herb, and I'm going to be baking that at 350. I have a mixture for my stuffed cabbage all ready to go. I will be cooking this down and getting it nice and soft, and then it'll be easy to roll them out and put the sauce on it. I bought a 5-pound brisket, so this is going to be seared and then baked tomorrow. So we're putting this one aside for tomorrow. I think we have enough set up for tonight. I just wanted to have you into my kitchen today. Let's keep on cooking. We have 3 days to go.
All right, so our chicken in the lime and herbs, and it came out nice and brown. Item 1, cooked and ready to go in the fridge.
All right, corned beef is done. We're glaze for it on the day that I am serving it. It'll be so let's check off another item.
Cabbage is in our pan. The sweet and sour stuffed cabbage. Checked off the list.
That's a wrap for tonight. Day 1 of our cooking schedule and prep has been done. I hope you are following along with my prep for the holiday tomorrow from Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen.